Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video and today I'll be showing you how to find your hidden chats on your Viber. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to find the hidden chats on your Viber app, let's open up our Viber first. After opening the Viber app, you'll be required to remember the number or the security code which you had registered on Viber at the time of hiding your chats. And after retrieving it, you can see the magnifying glass on the top right corner of your screen, which is the search button. Tap on that magnifying glass icon and enter or type in the code which you had registered on Viber at the time of hiding your account. For me, it will be this. And after entering our security code on the search bar, you can see the hidden chats over here because there is a hidden option available over here just below the chats, and the eye icon in them is blurred, which means they are the hidden chats. And there guys, this is how you find your hidden chats on your Viber account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.